A very big hi to everyone. Hope you're all doing good during this lockdown period. And sorry, this lockdown has made us to meet you virtually. And let's pray God to keep us safe and secure. Please stay home and stay safe. Hope we are discussing something unique during our school days, and let's follow up the same during our virtual class also. I remember our discussions on various topics from technology to science and so on. So today let's follow the same, and today being the first class of virtual class, let's start with a sweet. I know you are all familiar with the word sweet. Yes, yeah, I hope you all know what's our festival of sweets. Yes, it's Diwali or Deepavali. We remember our childhood being filled with collection of sweets in our home, from Mysore Pak to Tirunelveli Halwa, and to our shock, there is some festival coming around the same time in the calendar, but it's an international festival. It's known as Chocolate or Chocoladen Festival, where you can experience the movie of Willy Wonka and Chocolate Factory. Hope you all have seen the Willy Wonka and Chocolate Factory. Yes, the factory filled with chocolates and the various experience of kids inside a chocolate factory. And yes, we too had the same experience of chocolate factory in Ritter Sports, same as Willy Wonka. So today's topic is over, and your homework is you should find out what's Chocoladen Festival and where it is celebrated, and have a write up of few lines. 25 points. And see you all with another topic from around the world. Thank you. Okay, the spelling of Chocoladen is CHOKOLADEN, and the spelling of chocolate is CHOCOLART. Chocolate. Hope you all mail me with your write up. Thank you.